Start. A batch of 9 petitions is being decided by a common judgment as the counsel for the respective parties agree that the issue involved in the present batch of petitions relates to compensation for the same transmission line and can be decided together. The challenge is to the award dated 28 to 2017 passed by the additional district judge, Sonipat full stop. The landowners have assailed the judgment and decree on the ground that the same is inadequate, while the transmission licensee has assailed the awarded amount to be high. Full stop para. For the facility of reference, the facts are being extracted from CWP 21878 of 2017 titled as Single Code Vinod and Others versus Kalpataru Power Transmission Limited and others. Single decode full stop para. Briefly summarized, the facts of the present case are that the petitioners number 1 and 2 are owners in possession of 3/5 share out of total land measuring 55K-7 m comprising in Khewat number 6, whereas petitioners number 3 to 6 are the legal representatives of deceased Tara Chand and are owners in possession of agricultural land measuring 98K-4 m comprising in Khewat number 69/60 and Khata number 101 situated in the revenue estate of village Rai, Tehsil and district Sonipat full stop. The details of the above mentioned land is duly given in paragraph number 3 of the petition. Full stop. Both above mentioned chunks of land are situated in vicinity of the border of national capital and fall within the national capital region. Full stop. It is thus alleged that the land in question has a great market value owner to its potential and that the said valuation has diminished considerably on account of installation of electric poles and the 400 kV high tension wires. Full stop. The petitioners claim to have received notices in the year 2011 regarding installation of electric poles and erecting 400 kV Jharli Kabulpur Dipalpur high tension wire in the land of the petitioners. Full stop. It is averred that laying of such transmission line has affected the land measuring 8,000 square yards belonging to the petitioners number 1 and 2, whereas land measuring 6747 square yards pertaining to petitioners number 3 to 6 was also affected. Full stop. It has been averred that owing to the immense potential of the said land and the same being situated near the national capital, the market value of the land is approximately rupees 5 crores per acre. Full stop. The respondents, however, awarded a very meager compensation of rupees 82,573 to petitioners number 1 and 2 and a sum of rupees 98,776 to petitioners number 3 to 6 as compensation towards the crop damage. Full stop. A legal notice was served by the petitioners upon the respondent authorities and thereafter a petition under section 16 (3) of the Indian Telegraph Act, 1885 was preferred before the additional district judge, Sonipat, and compensation to tune of rupees 10,000 per square yard was claimed by the petitioners, qua their respective affected areas. Full stop. Over.